guys, it's Ashley and I have another clean with me video for you. If you haven't seen one before, you're not alone. I only just discovered them recently. It's this weird niche genre of videos on YouTube where people basically vlog themselves cleaning. It sounds really boring, but I promise it is not. For some reason, it is totally mesmerizing. Today I am going to clean my bedroom. It is a disaster. It literally looks like I was ransacked. I've been traveling a lot, I've been working a lot. It has just completely fallen to the wayside. Basically, the point of this video is to hopefully inspire you to get your own spaces in order. Hopefully it's kind of satisfying and you want to do it in your own life too. So I'm gonna get started because I've got a lot of work to do. The first order of business is to find the floor. That's what I'm calling step one because this place is a fire hazard at this point. So let's get all this crap off the floor and off of surfaces in the room. Just make some big piles of junk and work from there. You know, baby steps. We're looking pretty good. The floor is clear, pretty much all the surfaces are clear, and now what I'm gonna do is sort of the cleaning part of cleaning. I'm gonna wipe down all the surfaces, I'm gonna vacuum, dust, all that stuff. Not my favorite part, but it's gonna feel really good afterwards, so let's go do it. Now it is time for my favorite part of cleaning, and that is organizing. Use the KonMari method for folding my t-shirts. If you've heard of it, it's from that book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I am not a minimalist, but the one thing I did take away from that book is how to properly fold clothing. So I do that for my t-shirts and also my pants, which I'm gonna do in a second. My main problem with the jeans is not necessarily the folding, it's more so that I should just get rid of some, but you know, each pair of pants have a purpose. I just can't bear to part with any of them, so they're all getting folded and putting back in. Maybe I'll do another video where I get rid of stuff. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a video of a closet clean out, getting rid of old clothes, because I need to force myself to get rid of some clothes, so maybe if I did a video about it, I would be forced to do that. Let me know in the comments. Now I am going to organize my vanity. I sort of just had my makeup thrown in this IKEA drawer unit, but I ordered some plastic organizers from Amazon, and we're gonna try and get this a little bit more functional.